Hello everybody, Monica here at Handmade Studio, and today we are going to do our ATC coins with these little free printables. How cute is this? So what this swap is for, or a project you want to give somebody, this is going to be 3 of the coin cards, and I'm going to show you how to make these really quick and easy. If you're just a beginner, you're going to get this just fine. And it's going to come in this little holder that you can go ahead and decorate. This is what I did, and this is what I'm going to show you. Okay, so let's get started. All right, so in the comments, you're going to see this printable, okay, and you want to print this out as is. All right, if you want to make adjustments to the sizes, you can go right ahead. I am printing it right through the size that I got, and this is a free printable from those little things. Okay, so go check out that page. Really some cute stuff you could print out and use for personal use. And you're going to go ahead and then cut them all out. And what I would recommend too is to print this on thicker cardstock, okay? Copy paper is fine, but when you need to glue this down, copy paper will start to get warped. So this is a 65-pound weight, which is what I use for a lot of my printables that I'm going to enhance. And I do print it on draft. So as you can see, draft is fine because it looks like, oh, it's a lot of ink to use, but I print most of my stuff on draft and it's great color. So, but if you want to go with a more deeper color, then you can go ahead and do that also, but draft is fine. Okay, so now that we cut them all out, I have all our little cuties here. Okay, and this is, let's see which one we're going to do. What you want to do is start off with your base, which you want to use thick cardstock or cardboard, your cereal boxes, anything you want to use. And you can do any shape you want. These are the shape of the printable itself, and I just rounded the corners. But you can go ahead and print out cardboard. You can do circles, okay, which today I'm going to do a circle on these, okay? So I just wanted to show you that. Oh, and then another shape that you could do, which is fun, is this shape. Okay, so all your choices. Now these are about the size of the palm of your hand. Okay, usually a coin, ATC coin, is about 2.5-inch circle, but any shape you do, that's what you're going to gauge it at, usually the palm of your hand. Okay, easy to hold, and we want to make sure that they're sturdy. Okay, we don't want to send somebody something that's going to bend and get bent in the mail, and we want a nice quality look to our swap partner. All right, let's do the best that we can. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do a circle one, and I'm going to show you a few techniques too, because what I did with these is I used the ink pads to kind of distress the ends. Now if you don't have ink pads, don't worry, you still can do this. All right, you can go ahead and take your markers, some of your thick markers, and you could distress just with the markers, and you're just going to go ahead and basically draw the edges. Very easy to do. You don't need fancy ink pads to do this. Okay, and I used a nice fluorescent orange here because I think that'll really make it pop against the purple. And I also use paint pens, and that's how I get my gold on the end sometimes. So you could do the orange. Oh, this one isn't used yet. See, I go through these a lot. So, but then you can do the orange, and then you could take your stamp pad and just do the edge like that. You know, so whatever colors you want to use. But again, you know, if all you have is markers, you can use the markers. All right, you don't need any fancy stuff. So there's a circle. I thought purple's cute. And I think I'm going to use my black on this. So I'm going to take the black, and I'm just going to distress around the edge. And again, use your stamps. Nothing fancy. You don't need any fancy brushes. And this just really makes your stuff pop. Gives it some dimension. Okay? So, see already that looks really cool, right? So now, I'm just going to place him on top. Now you can decorate some more. Here what I'm going to do is round my corners on this, because I like to round them. and it'll fit in there really cute. All right, and I'm just going to take some glue. Now, glues, you don't need any fancy glues. This is my favorite, but that can get pricey. But, you know, your local dollar stores have this glue is really great. I like it, and, you know, it works just fine. So you don't have to do anything fancy. Now you can embellish. Now see, I'm just putting a little bit on there. And I'm going to place it on there. And this is a 2.5 inch circle again. All right, so now you can kind of see the size that we're looking at. And you're going to send your partner 3 of them. Okay, so now there's your card. And now it's all decorating, whatever you want to do. All right, so that is what our ATC swap is with the cats. Free printables. All right, and look, you can make so many of them. Okay, so we're going to send our partner 3. Remember, you have your box of all your Halloween stuff, so you can decorate with all your stash stuff. What I do on these, or I use this glitterific hologram, and it gives you another little, look how cute that makes it. So you can put that on there to dry. All right, and as you can see, and make sure you sign the back, okay, so they know who it's from. And when we're sending our swaps, let's package them up real nice. So what I did is I made this, and I'll show you that video right now. Okay, 12 by 12 piece of paper. I'm going to fold it over, and you don't even have to cut anything right now. So here you're going to hide. So you're going to bring that up about maybe 2 inches here. Okay, and it all depends on the size of your card, all right? So bring it up about halfway of your card, and then you're going to fold it up, okay? Now this is going to be your pocket. And so right here is where your length's going to be, your height. So just make sure your card's sitting there, okay? And you could keep it, you can cut this all off and just have the white, but I'm going to use the whole sheet. So I fold, measure how far I need this, and then you're going to fold up here so your card fits. Okay, so this is going to be your height. Then you're going to take the top, so you're going to start at the bottom, fold the bottom to hide this, and you're going to give some strength to your pocket, okay, because this is pretty thin paper. Then you're going to fold that over for your pocket, which will be about halfway up of your way of your card. Then you're going to fold over to the height of your pocket. And now I'm just going to take this, fold it in, and fold up. And now you got your holder. All right, and again, it depends on your measurements of your card. And now you can go ahead, and when you're giving this to your swap partner, it's really nice when you get your swaps to receive your stuff in nice packaging. Okay. And then you can go ahead and decorate all of this and use any paper you want. All right, and then you'll have your little pockets, and I'll show you the finished product at the end. Okay, so nice and easy, and it's all according to the size that you do, right? So we're just going to slip those in there. That one might be a little bigger than this one. All right, and then you can decorate this as well. Okay, front and back, and then you can slip this right into an envelope flat like this, and it's going to protect these, and it'll go through the mail nice and easy, and with not a lot of postage. All right, so that is our project for the ATC coins, these cute little cats. All right, and I can't wait to get my swap. I hope my swap partner loves theirs, and we will see you next time. Thanks for coming by. Bye-bye.